Hey, Impact Innovators, it's Lysandra, and listen, if you're starting a side hustle, you've probably heard all kinds of stories, advice, must-dos about success in business. But today, I want to talk to you about what people don't tell you, the myths that can really mess with your mindset. Let's talk about how to ignore the noise, set realistic expectations, and actually build something that fits your life. So I have been an entrepreneur for 7+ years. I've done different things. I've had a commercial cleaning company. I had a party planning business. I had a cleaning business, like a residential cleaning. So 2 different types of cleaning. But I will tell you that a lot of people are going to show you the highlights. Like they put that on social media. You see the highlights. Sometimes it's real highlights with success. Sometimes it's rented highlights that goes back in a couple of days. But either way, you see that. And I feel like because it did that to me, it made me feel like I wasn't moving fast enough, or what's wrong with me? Why can't I make this business work? Why am I catching so many L's for things that people on social media look like they're having success with? I was like, something is wrong. So once I feel like once it came time to me to open my lash studio, a lot of things that I had learned before kicked in. So I had more realistic expectations, things of that. It is hard to be an entrepreneur. I would tell someone that if you want to go that route, that you should definitely have a job. Like, I don't care whether it's part-time, full-time, whatever it is, have a job and then have a business. That way you are prepared for the struggles, the no money, the no clients, the no sales, because you will definitely have those in a business. I don't care what it looks like on social media. Oh, I made this and overnight I made these many thousands, or I sold these many products. That is like an anomaly that probably will not happen for 95 to 99% of the people that start a business. It's a hustle, it's a grind every day. So I would say if you are thinking about entrepreneurship, or even if you're in the entrepreneurship space right now and you're struggling, go get a job. it just it doesn't mean you fail. Get a job. Have regular income coming in, and I guarantee you there is no glory in struggling to start a business. Everybody can't be Mark Zuckerberg. Everybody can't be Steve Jobs. Everybody can't be all these people that you see with this success that went all in. Sometimes you got to go all in, and you got to have a paycheck coming in while you go all in. So I want to keep it real all the way. Success will take time. You absolutely are not going to build a 6-figure business overnight, and that's okay. There's joy in that. The problem is we see highlight reels, like I said, on social media, and we start comparing our day 1 to someone else's day 300. You start feeling behind, you start questioning your dream, but let me tell you, your journey is yours. Your peace is valid. Your growth matters, even if it's slow. So let's cut the myth that real success happens quickly, because honestly, the real glow up takes grit. Now, this one right here holds so many women back, thinking you have to be an expert at everything before you begin. But here's the truth. You don't have to know it all. You just need to start. And when you don't know something, that's when you learn, you ask questions, and you grow. Now, I built my first income stream by starting with what I already knew and learning the rest as I went. So if you've been waiting to know everything before you launch that offer, post that video, or sell that product, I'm giving you permission to move forward anyway. Now, I remember my first business was I was working at Home Depot, and I liked gift baskets, and I knew how to make gift baskets. That was my first business. So I started like right before Valentine's Day, and that was hectic. Like I didn't know what I was doing. It was just mad chaos. But I moved with speed. I learned it, found vendors, did what was in my budget, put it out, and made some sales. Once I got that experience, I was like, okay, well, I may not know everything, but speed is amazing and it can lead to success. So that was my first business. So if you feel like I don't know it all, even if you know a little bit of something, just take it, because you will fail your way to success. You will learn as you fail. And the more you keep going, the better you'll get, and you'll know what mistakes not to make. And you can see bad vibes or whatever coming. And when you know what you've experienced before, and your learning experience will allow you to ward off those things, or say, okay, well, this is coming, this is going to happen, this is what I need to do. Trust me, it's power in learning. So now let's flip it. Instead of listening to myths, let's talk about what you actually need. You need realistic expectations. This is a long game, not a sprint. A solid why, something that keeps you focused when it gets tough, because it will. And the confidence to stick to what you already know. Stick to your zone of genius. Do that. You don't need to become a new person. You just need to build from who you already are. I want to tell you, in case nobody has, you have everything that you need to start a business, to make more income. You have it within you. All you need to do is get out of your head and just bring it out. It may suck, it may not work, whatever it is, but you will learn, and you can make whatever your business is, whatever you want to do, you can make that better. So just start. Whatever you do, just start. And start with a job. Do that. Now, when you feel overwhelmed, I want you to come back to these three things I'm about to share with you. 1, am I setting realistic goals for myself? 2, do I know why I'm on this crazy journey? And 3, am I focusing on what I already know how to do? This is why I created digital products that you can use right now. Tools you can customize and start selling without reinventing the wheel. They help you focus on doing and not doubting. So the digital products that I have at ladybosschick.com, they are geared to help you to bring out whatever your zone of genius is. Because whatever your business is, whether it's lashing, whether it's baking, whatever it is, you want to have a digital product to add in that mix, because those things will share your knowledge with others, and they will pay you for that. And you don't have to put time into it. Like, you have to put time in the beginning to create it and make it the way you want, but it will make you money when you are doing other things. So I highly encourage you to have a digital product. On my site, ladybosschick.com, you have ebooks, planners, guides, everything. And I give you free photos where you can change it out, change the wording, but make it your brand. But I would highly encourage you, if you have a business, or if you want to start a business with digital products, check out my site, ladybosschick.com. It is the way to go, and I get you together. So now that we've had that speech, go ahead, go right now, go to ladybosschick.com and check out my digital products. They're made to help you grow your business your way. And if you're ready to really build your dream, come join my free 5-day training, which is 5 days to building the life of your dreams. You'll get tools, clarity, motivation, and as a bonus, you become a member of my Impact Innovator Society. That is where the magic happens, because we support each other and we just grow. And I'm also teaching something for you. You don't have to do this alone. You just have to do it your way, at your own pace, and with your truth. And I am here to support you. Let's build your business together. And with that, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you got value from it, please comment below. Let me know What is holding you back? What do you feel like is holding you back from starting that business or making that digital product, whatever it is? Comment below. I want to know. I want to support you, and I want to share my words of wisdom. And with that, thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so you can find out when I post new content. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.